Hi, this is Nikki Keever with Keever Realty. I'm at my latest listing in Fountain Square, and this home is located just blocks from some of Indy's best restaurants, a local brewery, and some fantastic entertainment venues. Tons of history in this area. It was built in 2019, features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The primary is on the first floor. Upstairs you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms and a loft kind of bonus area that served well for these owners as a rec space, a gaming kind of homework area. The bathrooms are finished beautifully. You'll find gourmet features in the kitchen and sun-filled windows throughout the entire property.